Hi. What do you have for me?
I don't know, I can't find these numbers.
Which number you needed?
Numbers and I can't find.
Which building you are looking for?
I'm looking for 1120.
Okay, 1120 is in the between. When you're walking, in
Yeah.
between apartment is gonna be 1120. What else?
I'm looking for 11.
I was waiting a delivery as well, but it's not show up. Are you working for Amazon?
No, for
No?
uni.
Okay.
Oh, this is 1110?
This is 1110. We're 1110. This all 1110. That's 1100, and then the middle one is 1120.
Okay, I have a pocket for 1110.
1110. Which number?
106.
106 more, please. On the other side, behind the building. Yeah. This one is 300 and 200. So the other side, but this building. So in the meantime, you can go to 1120, and then you can walk down to 1110. The lower number. Good luck. You're welcome. Good luck. You know what? They put so much salt. Look. I think it's gonna be snow all night. Way so much salt. Way so much salt they are putting on the ground, which is not good for the environment. I have no option, I guess. Safety comes first. Whew, my hand is frozen already. Jesus. Come on. All right. All right. My packages arrived from Amazon. I'm not sure which one I got. Okay, I'm assuming this is for the day I ran out and I ordered this one. I'll show you next time when I put it on my under my eye. Okay, let me see what is the next package I got. This one, I'm assuming the mouse wash. This one I was planning long time ago actually to purchase and to show you. They said it's easy to floss instead of using those the flosser. This is a water floss. Easier, messy, but they said it's easier and faster. I'm assuming that's the one. Yes, this is a water floss. I'm still waiting one more order, or couple order actually. One is artificial tear eye drop, and the other one was for belt hole puncher. You know, when we buy a belt that's too long and then there is no enough hole for my belt, so I still have to go somewhere else, paid, and then they're gonna punch the hole instead. So I just decided to buy the bell hole puncher, but it's been a while, so I haven't received yet. I don't know why. It said on the way, but I never received it. I might be calling for Amazon. Anyways, I'll show you. So this is the package I got. I'll show you when I use it. I'll show you next time when I use it. Bye for now. Happy New Year. God bless Ethiopia. God bless the whole world. God bless Canada. All right, all the best. I wish you all the best for the coming New Year.